Right, so here we have the 2021 Lamborghini Urus wide body kit in forged carbon with 23-inch rims. Unfortunately, the 24-inch will give you a transmission fault. So to keep it clean on the dash, you want to go with the 23s. You notice up front, you got your lower bumper kit, front spoiler in carbon fiber, as well as the Y braces, the blade, the intake, and then over each wheel well. We did these in color match on the top portion, forged carbon on the bottom. The inlays here are swapped out and made into forged carbon as well. Lower rocker, nice and clean throughout. Again, on those 23-inch three-piece, we did a color matching bead around that as well. Go to the rear of the car, you're going to see the lower diffuser, all in carbon fiber, forged carbon, and the little skirts here are add-ons to give it that flair for the wide body kit. On the trunk, both, you have the lower and the upper in carbon fiber. Go over top the existing trunk. We have the carbon fiber behind the script. That piece is swapped out as well. And you come around to the other side and you see the same thing. So real clean look, pops real well with the orange. Shame you can't get the 24s on there quite yet. Maybe that's to come, but all in all, there you go. That's the 2021 wide body kit in forged carbon.